Hey, and let me show you how to make word search activity books using your phone. Okay, this is something I just realized not quite long, and I used to use my laptop, but now I'm going to be using the phone so that I can actually let you know that you don't need to have a laptop before you start. So I'm using an Android, so you just go to your Play Store. When you go to your Play Store, I know the first thing you want to look for is word search, right? And I look for word search. Okay. Mm, very good. Now, would you believe that I had downloaded almost all of these apps that you can see? These are sponsored ads, okay? So we have word search, word search, word search quest, okay, more result and all of that, wordscape search and all of that. So I'm more of an activity, education activity guy. I love creating digital content and all of that, but I really wanted doing something that would make me create these products. So I got tired and I kept on researching, and I could only find one, and it's called, when you type, instead of typing word search, just type word search maker. Word search maker. Here you go. Now this is it. This is the word search maker. So all you need to do, you can see it's a new feature before they officially release and blah blah blah. Okay, this was when I updated it, and let's get to see. Okay, design, print, and share word searches for your pupils, kids, family, and friends. So all you need to do is click on the install. So for me, I'd already installed this on my phone. So let's go to the app. So get to open the app. Pause low, please. Now this is the app. Let me show you around the app. Okay. Let me take you through the app. Now the app has three feature, and it also has the upgrading. So let's check the info. Okay, this is the latest version, and the purchasing it at for me, I'm in Nigeria, so it's 1,420. I'm going to tell you why. Um, 1,420, but you can still use the free version. So, but you are limited to just put 10 words, okay? 10 words, and so this is how it comes. This is how it comes, and it also has a setting option where you can actually set if you want it to be up alone, down. So I'm gonna show you that, and let's go. So you click on this word search, and this is where you now put the word. So let's look at animals. Animals. I have crocodile. Then it says for every word you use a space or new lines and all of that. So let's use new line, crocodile. We have fish. We have monkey. We have gorilla. We have lion, tiger, and cheetah. So we also have kangaroo. So how many is it? How many do we have? One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight. Kangaroo. We have now. I want to bring this thing. What do we call um compound word? So if you have a compound word, you must put a hyphen in front. So we have polar bear. Good. That's number nine. And we also have what other dog? Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Why am I using 10? I'm using 10 because I'm using the free version, the trial version, and it's not the purchase, the premium. So if you're using premium, you can do more than 10, but because this is just the trial version, I'm using 10 words. So all you need to do is just click on create puzzle. Okay, so just click on create puzzle. Now here you go. You can see polar bear here. You can see monkey. Now this is the solution. Okay, this is the solution that it's already done for you, whereby you can actually download it. But if you want to still do some settings, you can increase the grid by adding more, um, making it look I increase it to 14. Yeah, then you can actually say no, I don't want it across, I only want it down. I don't want it to be overlapping, and I don't want it backward. Let it be down and diagonal. So let's see how it goes. Diagonal, I don't like the diagonal, so let it just be down alone. So we haven't just down, so you can see no backward, down. So all you need to do is give it a name, a name, animal, animal word search sheet. So this is instruction. These are 10 words. There are 10 words hidden words. So you can decide to edit it to your taste. So all you need to do is just click on design. Click on design and here you go. And one thing I love about this one on the phone is it will help you bring out the words down here, unlike the one on the laptop that I'm going to show you in the part 2. You have to do that yourself. So all you need to do is just save design save design as animal, and you save. So it comes in PDF. You go to your download and you get to see. So you can do 10